Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorials brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in with today's poster who wanted to know how to create a sky replacement. So today we're going to be replacing the sky, but you know what? In Photoshop Elements, it's really not called the sky replacement. There's a special tool within the guided section, and it's called Perfect Landscapes. So that's what we're really trying to do, is change the sky, but it's called Perfect Landscapes within Photoshop Elements. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, how I change the sky, I use the expert mode, but we're first going to show you how to do it in the guided mode. So you hit the guided right here, and this gives you a bunch of neat, cool tools. And within these tools, look up here, you want to choose the Special Edits tool. And then within the Special Edits tool, you're going to see right here, Perfect Landscape. That's what changes the sky in this mode. So we're going to click that, and your picture will pop up again. And if your picture isn't straight, you can straighten it up with that tool here. And then down here, you got a choice of about 12 skies. So in case we want to choose, let's say, this dramatic one, just click on it, and it automatically does it for you. I just let go of the mouse and watch what happens. Boom, there it is. It changes the sky for you. Now the sky is much bigger than the picture, so if I zoom in or zoom out, and then if I choose Move Tool, then you can actually see the whole actual size of the photograph behind your image. So I can move it down closer to where I want it, right around here, and that looks great. But you have to have the choice of this 12. You can't bring in other skies of your own. So how do you do it if you want to bring in your own sky? Let's go back to the expert mode. What I would do in this mode is get rid of the sky using the magic tool and then bring in our own sky. So first let's get rid of this sky. Make sure that the picture is unlocked over here, and then go over to the magic tool. Now the magic tool tolerance down here, right now it's set to 10%. Let's see what happens when I click 10%. You see what happens is I can't really seem to grab enough sky to be able to delete. That's just not going to work. So what I'm going to do is turn the tolerance down here from 10. I'm going to turn that all the way up to 100 points. And I'm going to grab this area again. And you see what just happened? It grabbed a lot more. But I'm going to undo that again. Think about what you want to change is this whole sky. So I'm going to start down here and grab that at the tolerance of 100, and that grabbed the whole edge down here, which is perfectly what we want. As soon as I hit delete, it got rid of the whole edge. Now I can just go ahead and grab the square tool here and draw a big rectangle over the rest of it and hit delete, and now our sky is completely gone. Since this was a pretty sharp edge, this worked out pretty well. Now we can go ahead and grab a sky. I'm going to bring in a sky on a different project here that I grabbed from somewhere else, and I can grab this and drag it up to the tab of the project that we want to change. As soon as I let go, the sky comes in. But it's in the wrong placement. It is above the cows. So let's go ahead and take that layer and bring it underneath the cows. And you'll see as soon as I let go, boom, the sky goes behind there. And of course, it's too small. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And I'll put the top left edge there, grab the bottom right edge, and I can just make it a lot bigger like that. As long as it fills out the whole background, then I can still move it around to get exactly what I want. Let's say right around here, and then if I still want some of the blue part, I can squeeze the top end down, and look what happens. This looks really nice right around there. As soon as I hit OK, and that's all there is to it. Well, this is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial, saying over and out.